How can we know if an action is right? There are many ways to answer this question. For some people, the right thing to do is that which will make the most people happiest. For others, it is what you would want others to do unto you. For others still, it is whatever that is exercised by a virtuous person. Today, we will be talking about the classic perspective offered by a philosopher named Kant. Kant claims that the right thing to do is that which is done out of goodwill. For Kant, a goodwill is manifested in acting out of a sense of duty. You might be thinking, how can we tell if a person is acting from a sense of duty? We will answer this question by examining a particular situation from which we will draw three criteria that should be satisfied in order to say that the person is acting from a sense of duty. Let us look at this situation. An auditor discovers that an employee is stealing from the company and decides to report this finding to the president. Because the auditor is someone who goes over financial statements and reports any anomalies, then we can say that the auditor in our example performed what conforms to an auditor's obligation, which brings us to the first criterion, which is doing what accords to duty. If the auditor decided and is motivated to inform the president because it is his duty as an auditor, then we can say that the action is done for the reason that it is a duty. This is our second criterion. If the auditor reported his finding to the president because it will increase his chances of getting a promotion, then the action of letting the president know about his finding, although done for the reason that it is a duty, is not done solely for the reason that it is a duty. This does not fulfill our third and last criterion, which tells us that an action must be done only for the reason that it is a duty. An action must be done only for the reason that it is a duty and not because of any other personal reasons. If an action was done to fulfill another motive, say, to be rewarded, to feel loved, to get revenge, or if you are doing an action out of fear, love, or any other inclination, then you are not doing an action only for the reason that it is a duty. You are doing an action because of something else. And that is how we can tell if a person is acting from a sense of duty according to Kant.